The Tesla Semi is more than just a high-performance electric truck. It represents a significant transformation in the transportation and logistics industry, not only in terms of performance, but also in terms of operating costs and fuel efficiency. The introduction of an all-electric truck not only presents a challenge for the industry, but also promises to redefine the concept of sustainability and profitability for companies that rely on heavy-duty fleets for their daily operations. One of the main attractions of the Tesla Semi is its reduced operating costs compared to conventional diesel trucks. Although the initial purchase price of the Tesla Semi is higher, estimates suggest that the savings over time are significant. The main savings come from fuel, as the Semi runs on electricity, which is considerably cheaper than diesel. In addition, maintenance also becomes cheaper. Diesel trucks require frequent oil changes, maintenance of fuel systems, and other mechanical components, which can be quite costly. The Tesla Semi, on the other hand, has an electric motor with fewer moving parts, which significantly reduces repair and replacement costs. With a range of up to 800 kilometers on a single charge, depending on the version, the Tesla Semi not only rivals traditional trucks in terms of autonomy, but also exceeds expectations in terms of energy efficiency. The Semi uses a high-capacity battery, optimized to ensure long distances and reliable performance, even on difficult terrain. In addition, thanks to the energy regeneration technology that recovers part of the energy during braking, the Tesla Semi maximizes its efficiency, allowing the truck to recover energy throughout its journeys. This, combined with the advanced aerodynamic design of the vehicle, allows the truck to use less energy to travel the same distance as other models, making it a more economical option for transport fleets. Another important aspect of the Tesla Semi is its environmental impact. The reduction in carbon emissions is significant, especially when compared to diesel-powered trucks. The model helps reduce companies' carbon footprint, which can be crucial for businesses trying to meet their sustainability goals or reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. While the Tesla Semi represents a revolution in the transportation industry, its mass production faces a number of complex challenges that could impact large-scale production and delivery. Tesla, as always, is looking to innovate and lead the transition to more sustainable vehicles, but the hurdles are significant, especially when it comes to scaling up production of a high-performance electric truck. Manufacturing heavy-duty trucks like the Tesla Semi is far more complex than producing passenger cars. These vehicles require robust infrastructure to support their load-bearing capacity and ensure the durability of components such as motors, batteries, and suspension systems. While Tesla has experience producing electric cars, electric trucks require a specialized design that must be manufactured at a larger scale, which presents logistical and engineering challenges. Additionally, the manufacturing process for electric trucks involves producing large, high-capacity batteries, which requires a much more complex supply chain. Tesla will need suppliers that can deliver these batteries in large quantities and at the level of quality needed to ensure the vehicle's performance and safety. Another major challenge is scaling production. Tesla has struggled to scale up its electric vehicle production, and the same could happen with the Semi. The Tesla Semi production plant will need to be highly efficient, with fast and efficient assembly systems to ensure units are delivered on time and with consistent quality. In addition, Tesla will have to deal with the global distribution of these heavy-duty vehicles, which could be a challenge because trucks require specific charging infrastructure and take longer to adapt to different markets. Logistical challenges could include building a network of compressors that are suitable for large trucks and coordinating with truck fleets to ensure the Semi is a viable option in the long term. The supply chain is another critical point in the mass production of the Tesla Semi. Like any automaker, Tesla relies on a network of suppliers for parts and materials. For the Semi, this includes specific components such as oversized tires, specialized suspension systems, and of course, high-performance batteries. Shortages of certain materials such as lithium and nickel are already a known concern for the electric vehicle industry. In the case of the Tesla Semi, this could be even more challenging due to the high demand for these materials, as well as the need to ensure that the materials are extracted sustainably and according to ethical practices. Tesla continues to innovate in its electric vehicles, and the Tesla Semi is no exception. The addition of the sleeper cab version is a strategic upgrade designed to meet the needs of truck drivers who spend long hours on the road. This version is a direct response to feedback from drivers and fleet owners who need additional comfort and convenience features during their often long trips. The sleeper cab version of the Tesla Semi is equipped with a cabin designed to provide a more comfortable environment for long-haul truck drivers. With a more spacious design optimized for rest, this version includes features such as fold-down beds, storage spaces, and even entertainment systems to ensure drivers have adequate space to rest between long road trips. The idea is to transform the experience of driving a heavy-duty electric truck, often associated with long hours of discomfort, into a more comfortable and convenient one. Drivers can spend the night in the vehicle and continue their trip the next day with more rest and energy. Long-distance road transport often requires drivers to spend the night on the road, which can be physically demanding without the right equipment. The sleeper cab version of the Tesla Semi seeks to solve this problem with a design that not only maximizes comfort, but also optimizes efficiency. The cabin offers an ergonomic space, including an adjustable seat, advanced climate control, and sound insulation, allowing the driver to recover adequately. Additionally, Tesla has incorporated cutting-edge technology into the sleeper cab version. The infotainment system offers advanced navigation, climate control, and even driver assistance that make the journey more enjoyable and less stressful. As an electric truck, the Tesla Semi Sleeper Cab also brings sustainability benefits to the transportation sector. Tesla places a strong emphasis on energy efficiency, which means that even with the addition of additional features, the Semi maintains superior performance in terms of range and energy savings. The sleeper cab version features the same cutting-edge battery technology as the original model, ensuring that the truck's range is not compromised, even with the increased payload inside. When the Tesla Semi was announced, it generated great anticipation in the transportation industry due to its promise to revolutionize the heavy-duty truck market with cutting-edge electric technology. The Tesla Semi's performance and specifications are designed to redefine what's possible in terms of efficiency, power, and range for large commercial vehicles. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tesla Semi is its acceleration capabilities. Powered by 4 electric motors, the Semi is capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5 seconds when unloaded. When loaded to its maximum capacity of 36 tons, the truck still manages to achieve this acceleration in 20 seconds, which is surprising for a vehicle of this size. This impressive acceleration is the result of the powerful electric motors that Tesla has developed, with high torque from the start, something essential for heavy-duty trucks that need power to get going and maintain a constant speed on highways. The range of an electric truck is a major concern, and Tesla has responded to this demand with 2 battery options for the Semi. The base model has a range of 480 kilometers on a single charge, while the higher capacity version can reach 800 kilometers of range. This makes the Tesla Semi competitive with diesel trucks in terms of range, without the operational and environmental costs associated with using fossil fuels. The Tesla Semi's battery is designed to withstand heavy use, and its lithium-ion battery technology offers fast charging, with Tesla promising that the truck can be recharged in 30 minutes to regain up to 400 kilometers of range, using the network of high-power superchargers developed by Tesla. The reliability of a commercial truck is essential, especially when you consider that it will be used for heavy-duty and long-distance hauls. In the case of the Tesla Semi, Tesla has dedicated itself to creating a vehicle that is not only efficient, but also robust and reliable. To understand how the Semi stands out in this regard, it is important to look at its components and the maintenance methods designed to ensure longevity and minimize breakdowns. One of the most important factors in the Tesla Semi's reliability is the simple construction of its electric motor. Unlike diesel trucks, which have hundreds of moving parts such as pistons, belts, and exhaust system components, the Semi uses electric motors that are much simpler and require less maintenance. This means that there is much less chance of mechanical failure, which translates into greater long-term reliability. Additionally, the Tesla Semi's electric motors do not require oil changes, a process common in traditional trucks. Wear and tear on moving parts is also reduced, as gear changes and other components are much less frequent. This simplified design results in a truck with a longer lifespan and fewer unexpected problems. The Tesla Semi's lithium-ion battery system, like those in other Tesla vehicles, is designed to withstand extended charge and discharge cycles without losing efficiency. This is critical, as long-haul trucks require batteries that can handle constant charging and discharging throughout the journey. Tesla offers a 1 million-mile warranty on the Semi's batteries, indicating the company's confidence in the longevity and reliability of its system. This is far beyond the lifespan of conventional vehicle batteries and reflects Tesla's commitment to creating a transportation solution that is both sustainable and cost-effective over time. Another major advancement in the Tesla Semi is the use of remote monitoring technology. Like Tesla's passenger cars, the Semi is equipped with a system that allows Tesla to monitor the truck's performance in real time and detect anomalies before they become serious problems. This means that remote diagnostics can be performed and Tesla can provide software updates to correct system faults or optimize performance without the need for a workshop visit. This type of preventive and predictive maintenance reduces the number of unexpected interruptions and allows truck operators to schedule maintenance more accurately. The Tesla Semi's maintenance model is designed to significantly reduce operating costs. Compared to diesel trucks, the Semi has significantly lower maintenance costs. This is due to its simpler construction and the absence of expensive components, such as the transmission system, fuel filter, and other elements that require regular replacement in conventional trucks. Tesla has estimated that the Semi's maintenance costs will be up to 2 to 3 times lower than diesel trucks, which could add up to significant savings for transportation companies over time. As Tesla moves forward with the production and distribution of the Tesla Semi, global expansion is becoming a crucial part of the company's growth strategy. The market for electric trucks is growing rapidly, and Tesla is positioning its Semi as a solution that could revolutionize logistics and transportation globally. Let's analyze the factors that impact the future expansion and sales of the Tesla Semi. With the growing demand for electric vehicles and the pressure to reduce carbon emissions, many countries around the world are implementing stricter environmental regulations, encouraging the use of electric vehicles, especially in the freight transportation sector. The Tesla Semi, with its ability to offer zero emissions and low operating costs, is poised to benefit from these legislative changes. Tesla already has ambitious plans to expand its sales to several international markets, including Europe, Asia, and North America. Each of these markets presents unique challenges, such as charging infrastructure, regulatory requirements, and consumer preferences, but Tesla has proven its ability to adapt its strategies to fit varying market conditions. In Europe, for example, where EV adoption is fastest, particularly in Germany and France, Tesla is well-positioned to capture a significant share of the heavy-duty truck market. Tesla is also developing a dedicated Tesla Semi-supercharger network to ensure trucks can be quickly recharged on long-distance trips. In addition to developed countries, Tesla is also interested in emerging markets where fuel costs and air pollution are critical issues. In countries such as India, China, and Brazil, the Tesla Semi could differentiate itself by offering a cost-effective and sustainable solution for freight transportation. However, these markets may present additional challenges, such as limited charging infrastructure and higher upfront costs. China, one of the largest truck markets in the world, is particularly interesting, as the Chinese government invests heavily in electric vehicles and seeks sustainable alternatives to combat urban pollution. The Tesla Semi could be an attractive solution for transportation companies that need to reduce emissions and operating costs. However, local competition, particularly from electric truck manufacturers, will be a factor to watch. Tesla has high expectations for Tesla Semi sales in the coming years. Demand for electric trucks is growing as companies look to reduce their carbon footprint and lower fuel costs. The global heavy-duty truck market is worth trillions of dollars, and a small share of the market could represent a huge opportunity for Tesla. Tesla has already received large orders from major companies like PepsiCo, Walmart, and Anheuser-Busch, demonstrating strong initial demand. However, real sales growth will depend on Tesla's ability to ramp up semi-production and address the logistical and infrastructure challenges that come with global expansion. Additionally, pricing strategies will also play a key role in the Semi's sales success, especially as mass production reduces manufacturing costs. As Tesla ramps up production of its electric trucks, the transportation market is becoming increasingly favorable to electrification. It is estimated that over the next 10 years, more than 50% of new trucks sold worldwide could be electric, representing a huge growth opportunity for Tesla. In addition, with Tesla's continued improvement in battery technology and lower production costs, the company will be able to offer a more affordable Tesla Semi to a wider range of customers. This could further accelerate the model's global adoption, especially as more markets around the world implement ambitious emissions reduction targets. One of the biggest benefits of the Tesla Semi is its potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions associated with freight transportation. Heavy-duty diesel trucks are a major source of air pollution and CO2 emissions, contributing significantly to climate change. By replacing these trucks with electric models like the Tesla Semi, Tesla is helping to reduce the carbon footprint of the transportation sector. With its all-electric engine, the Tesla Semi promises to reduce emissions by up to 90%, depending on the energy source used to charge the batteries. If renewable energy is integrated into the charging infrastructure, the Semi's environmental impact can be further reduced. This could be a game changer in the fight against climate change, especially if the model becomes more widely adopted globally. Additionally, the Tesla Semi helps improve air quality in urban areas. With diesel vehicles being replaced by electric trucks, there will be fewer air pollutants such as nitrogen oxides and fine particles, which are harmful to public health. The impact of the Tesla Semi goes beyond its environmental contributions. It is also shaping the automotive and logistics sectors. First, the Tesla Semi sets a new standard for performance and efficiency for heavy-duty trucks. Its impressive acceleration capabilities, range of over 800 kilometers, depending on the version, and reduced operating costs mean that hauliers now have access to a solution that can replace traditional diesel trucks with significant benefits in terms of efficiency and long-term costs. Thanks to this, the Tesla Semi can also lead to the transformation of the entire supply chain, making it more efficient and sustainable. Companies that adopt electric vehicles can significantly reduce their fuel costs while meeting stricter environmental standards. This creates a positive ripple effect, motivating other companies to consider electrifying their fleets. Another significant impact of the Tesla Semi is on the fossil fuel sector. Heavy-duty trucks account for a significant portion of global diesel consumption. The electrification of these vehicles therefore poses a direct threat to the fossil fuel industry, particularly in countries that rely on road transport to move goods. As electric trucks like the Tesla Semi become more popular, demand for diesel could begin to decline, negatively impacting companies involved in the production and distribution of fossil fuels. This could accelerate the transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, although it also creates economic challenges for the oil and gas industry. The shift to electrification in freight transport could also impact the trucking industry's labor market and workforce. Truck automation and electrification may lead to changes in the traditional roles of truck drivers, as some processes can be automated, especially in autonomous driving scenarios. On the other hand, the growth of the electric vehicle industry and the need for charging infrastructure could also create new jobs. From manufacturing and maintaining electric trucks to building and managing charging stations, the demand for skilled professionals in the field of renewable energy and technologies will increase. The Tesla Semi not only positions Tesla as a leader in electric truck technology, but also sets a model for other manufacturers to follow. Heavy-duty truck manufacturers such as Volvo, Daimler, and PACCAR are already developing their own versions of electric trucks. Tesla, however, remains the leader with innovations in batteries, range, and efficiency that surpass those of many of its competitors. This scenario is crucial for the future of sustainable mobility, as it accelerates the electrification of more sectors, including road transportation and freight transport. By transforming the heavy-duty transportation and logistics industry, the Tesla Semi is helping to create a greener, more sustainable future where carbon emissions and reliance on fossil fuels are significantly reduced. The Tesla Semi is quickly positioning itself as a milestone in the transformation of the transportation industry, not only in terms of performance and efficiency, but also in terms of its environmental and industrial impact. By providing an electric alternative to traditional diesel trucks, the Tesla Semi not only promises to reduce CO2 emissions and improve air quality, but also reshapes the automotive and logistics sectors, driving the transition to a greener economy. Its impact on the labor market and fossil fuel industries is significant, challenging established models and encouraging a move toward cleaner, more sustainable technologies. Tesla, with its leadership in battery innovation and electric vehicle technology, is paving the way for a future where freight transportation is more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. The Tesla Semi is not just a vehicle. It is a catalyst for a future of sustainable mobility, where electrification and carbon footprint reduction are priorities, setting a new standard for the entire transportation and logistics industry. As the electric truck market continues to grow, we can expect the impact of the Tesla Semi to spread even further, accelerating the green revolution in freight transportation. Now that we have explored the environmental and industrial impact, we can move on to the next topics. Guys, I want to take this moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of the 1,000 subscribers of the channel. You are the reason for all our progress, and I am very excited about the path we are taking together. Thank you for following and supporting this work on innovations like the Tesla Semi, and for all the interactions and feedback that make this channel more and more relevant. Now, we have a new goal ahead of us, reaching 2,000 subscribers. If you are not yet subscribed, come and be part of this journey of discovery and learning. Here we always bring exclusive and detailed content, with analysis and trends for a technological and sustainable future, in addition to discussing closely the innovations that are changing the market. If you like what happens here, be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's reach 2,000 subscribers together and continue growing with more and more quality and more incredible news. I count on you to make this dream come true. Let's go.